channel, Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make DIRI Avec Congo, also known as rice and pigeon peas. But before we get started, I want to thank everybody who watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. And let's get started. Here are today's ingredients. 3 cups of water, 1.5 cups pigeon peas, 2 cups jasmine rice, half cup coconut milk, it's optional, 1 packet chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon Lilly Butter, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1.5 tablespoon Haitian epis, 3 tablespoons olive oil, parsley and thyme. I wash the peas twice. I add them in the pan and let it boil for 15 to 20 minutes on medium-high heat. After 20 minutes, I add them in the oil and Haitian epis and let it saute for 5 minutes. Next, I will add tomato paste, Badia Complete Seasoning, Goya, and coconut milk. I will add parsley and thyme, it's optional. I will add 2 cups of the liquid water from the boiling peas. Now I'm adding the butter. Next, I will wash the rice 3 times. When the water is boiling, I add the rice and taste for seasoning. This is the final result. Bon appétit! Thank you everybody for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.